Hi, I'm Adrian, and in this video we're going to be talking about contact fields. Now, when you create a new contact in Cademy, you'll see a list of fields here. You actually see the same list of fields when you look at a contact. You'll see all their details showing in these little fields, such as their address or date of birth. They're all going to be contact fields. If your account is still new, you might just have the basic details like the name and email. But let's say you want to collect the date of birth or their dietary preference. How do you add that as a field in here? Well, that's what this video is about. So to do that, you're going to go into settings, and on the left side, you're going to choose the contact fields option. You can see that I have quite a few fields here already, which is why my list when I create a contact, when I look at a contact, is quite big. Your list might be small if you're just getting started. So to add a new field in here, I'll just create a field from here, and I'll just have to choose the type of field. So if I'm looking to add the date of birth, I'll pick the type as date, and anytime I want to edit that field, it's going to prompt me with a calendar. Similar for the other fields, each type is there for a reason, so the address would look like an address, or the multiple choice will give me checkboxes. Let's say for this option, I need to pick the dietary preference. So I'd say, right, I would add in the options, because this is a drop down with options within that drop down. So I'll say anything goes, vegetarian, and vegan. Save, and there you go, my field is created. So now if I look at a contact, when I create a new contact, you'll see that I'll see the dietary preferences as an option here, or when I look at an existing contact, that field will be there as well. So if I click on the select option, you'll see that the three options that I created when I added that field are here. So I'll just pick anything goes, and that's going to be stored on the contact. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, use the live chat at the bottom right to get in touch. Thank you so much. Take care.